So you guys are already here, right?
Huh. So hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we'll be making a digital clock using Python. So in today's video we'll be making a digital clock using an GUI, which is also called graphical user interface. Yeah, I pronounced that right. So we are going to be basically using an GUI to make a digital clock which will display the hours, minutes and seconds together. So without any further ado, let's get started. Hello guys, so we are on my Ideally screen over here. So in today's video I'm going to be using Ideally instead of Visual Studio Code because when I was making this video I by mistakenly uninstalled Visual Studio Code, but from the next video onwards I'll be using Visual Studio Code permanently. So let's get on the code. So first I'm going to import a module called tkinter, which if you have seen my audiobook tutorial which I made, then you must know what this module is. This is a module which comes with the installation of Python, and you don't have to install this from the command prompt. So I'm going to import two modules from tkinter in this video, which is from tkinter import tk, which will be our main screen, and from tkinter import label. Then I'm going to import another module called time, which will tell us the time, and then I'm going to import sys because we'll be using the system. Then I'm going to name a variable called master. Let me name it as turtle, turtle, which is equal to tk, which will initiate our screen. Then we are gonna write master dot sorry turtle dot title, which will be our title, turtle dot title, and you can name it any title as you want. I'm gonna name it digital clock as we're making a digital clock in this video. Oops. Then we're gonna write a definition called we're gonna write a def function called get time, which will help us in getting the time. Then I'm going to mention a time variable. Then I'm going to write time dot strf time, and then in brackets I am going to write percentage I. Then I'm going to write percentage m. I'm going to write percentage s, and then finally I'm going to write percentage p, which will tell us whether it is am or pm. Then I'm going to click on enter, and then I'm going to write clock dot config, which will configure the clock, and then it will name the text as, oops, I have to mention in bracket. Yeah, so it will name the text as this variable that we have given over here, which is time var or time variable. Then I'm going to write clock dot after, which is 200. So it will update the time, update the time every 200 milliseconds. So can you guess that how much that in how much time does it take, that in how much time does it get updated? So that's a question that I will leave in the in the comment box, that at how many milliseconds exactly do you think that this gets updated? Because obviously it's not 200 milliseconds. It's not exactly 200 milliseconds. Do comment me down below that what do you think that at how many milliseconds does it update. Then I'm going to get out of the function, and then I'm going to write master. I'm going to name a function called label, which is this label function that we imported, and then I'm going to write master in brackets comma font. Then I'm going to write equal to, and then I'm going to write Calibri. You can name any font that you want. I'm going to write Arial, Arial, and I'm going to close the brackets. Then I'm going to write 30. I'm going to write 40 because I think so 40 is the correct size for the text. Then I'm going to put a comma and write text, and then I'm going to write equal to digital clock. Then I'm gonna write FG, which is the font color, which will be equal to red. Then I'm gonna put a comma, and then I'm gonna write BG, which is equal to which is the background color, which is equal to, let's name it black, because I think black will be more suitable on this on the digital clock. Then I'm going to write dot pack, which will pack this entire code. Then I'm going to write a name, a variable called clock. Name it exactly clock, because I think so if you don't name it clock, even if you don't name it clock, it will not make such a difference. Then I'm going to write label, and then I'm going to write master comma font. We have to exactly write this thing only, just we have to make some changes. And then I'm going to write Calibri. You can name it any font according to your suitability. I'm going to name it Calibri because it's the default font. Then I'm going to give the size as 100. Then I'm going to give the background color as as black. Yeah, let's name it black. Then I'm going to put a comma and going to write FG, which is equal to, which is a font color, which is equal to white. Then we write clock dot pack. And then to run this entire code, first I'm going to write the name of this definition over here, which is get time. And I'm going to write get time like that. Then I'm going to write master dot main loop, so that it can keep on running this keep on running the display screen of our this code that we have written over here, because if we don't write this, then what will happen is that will run, shows the screen for some seconds, and then it will immediately close. So if we name this function, then it will keep on running until unless we don't close it. So we are done with the code. Now let's just run and see the output, whether it is clear, whether it is a success or not. It's showing me an error. It's showing that Arial font is not defined. Now let me see what's the error. Well, the error should be somewhere over here, because the error, let us see. Okay, so the error is over here because I did not write clock.pack, so it's showing me an error that it was not able to pack the entire code. Not so why it is not showing the. Okay, so over here we made a mistake that we had to write turtle, but I wrote master because I think so that I thought that that it would not make such a difference, but it did make a difference. So let me just change the code a little bit. Yeah, so I think so that's it. I have to also change this turtle dot main loop, so it will run this as the main loop. Yeah, can you see now? See, this is what is showing the output. Wow, it's so good. See, it's showing the size as 40 according to the details that we have given over here. You can customize it according to your need. So our display is completely good. It's running perfectly. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got to learn something new from this video. If you did, then please do not forget to like this video and also share this with your friends and family. And also subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification so that you can get my channel updates every day. I know that I have not been uploading many videos since a lot of time, but what do we say? It's a lot of basic problem to upload, because I don't get so much time to upload these videos. So I hope you like this video. Stay safe, stay healthy, and take care of yourselves and your take care of yourselves and your family. Bye.